So today I am making chocolate chip banana, what am I making? I don't know. Let's start over. Today I'm making chocolate chip banana muffins, and we'll make about 12 muffins. So I think you're gonna like this. I'm gonna show you what ingredients that we're gonna use, and then we'll get baking. So let's get going. All right, so this is what we're gonna need. Measuring spoon, mixing bowl, potato masher, or a fork, whichever, they both work fine. Whatever you got, you can go ahead and use. We have baking soda, measuring cup, flour, sugar, our chocolate chips, our egg, vegetable oil, bananas, and our muffin tin, and our muffin liners. And we don't want to forget the salt or the vanilla. So I preheated my oven to 375, and in my mixing bowl I want to add 3 smashed up bananas, which is equal to 1 cup. So 1 cup of mashed bananas. And let me just dump 3/4 of my sugar in there, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we also are going to add a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And next up, once we get all those ingredients together, we're gonna mix them all up and just mix till all the ingredients are nice and combined. It's okay if it's a little lumpy, just make sure the ingredients are combined. All right, now we're gonna put all our dry ingredients together. 1.5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And that's all we're gonna need for the dry ingredients. We're gonna get them all nice and mixed up. And then we're going to put this mixture right in with the wet mixture and stir it all up. Again, don't over stir. We're mixing it until it is nice and combined. And then it's ready for 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You can use more or less or none if you want. And we're gonna get that nice and stirred. And now that it's stirred up, we're gonna add the mixture to our lined muffin tins. We're gonna use a cookie scoop or whatever you want, whatever you have. And we're gonna fill it 3/4 of a way full because we want nice and big muffins. And if you have anything left, just keep adding to the ones that maybe look like they have a little bit less. So we use up all our mixture. And I make about 12 muffins, and then I go ahead and let's put a few chocolate chips right on the top. Again, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to, but I just think it's a nice touch. And there you go, put it in the oven and bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes until they have that nice little golden brown on the top. And there you have it. There's your banana chocolate chip muffins, and they look super good. And I can't wait to eat one.